Hi children, how are you? I hope you are all safe and fine. As children coming to the point, last previous class what you learned? Subtraction. Chapter number, what is it? Chapter number 3, review of basic numerical operation. In this chapter what you learned? You learned already additions and subtraction. As today multiplication. I will explain you multiplication. Already you know multiplication means what? Repeated addition. Yes or no children? Among two numbers which are multiplier equal to product. You know na? Multiplier into multiplicand equal to product. Yes or no children? You know this. As see, multiplier into multiplicand equal to product. Yes or no? Example, twelve into 4. Okay, this is multiplier. 12 is multiplier as into multiplicand. Okay, see, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. What is that? This is multiplier. This is multiplicand. This is product. Understood children? See here, this is multiplier, this is multiplicand, this is product. Write in the classwork. You know this. This is what we did in the one digit number we multiplied. As now next you should learn two digit number, how to multiply two digit number and three digit number in multiplication. Okay children? One more example I will explain you. Okay, here listen carefully and do this. 15 into 3. Okay, ones place, tens place into 3. First of all, what you have to do? You should multiply ones place. As 3 5s are 15, 5. 1 carry forward to tens place. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. This is multiplier, this is multiplicand, this is product. Yes or no children? Right. B1. See here, 12 into 14. 12 into 14 as ones place, tens place. As now you should multiply ones place. In these two numbers, which one is ones place? 4 is in ones place. As in this 4 you should multiply these two numbers. As 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. Again, here in tens place, which number is here? 1. In this number, you should multiply these two numbers. You should add a symbol. Plus symbol you should keep here in ones place because ones place completed. Now tens place you are multiplying. S. Now 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. Now you should add these two numbers. Okay. 8 plus any number is there? No, only plus is there. That's why that 8 you should write here. Now 4 plus 2, 6. Here any number is there? Only 1 is there. Here nothing is there. That's why this one you should write. What is that product? This is the product. S. See, 168 is the product. Multiplier. This is multiplicand. Understood? See, 12 is multiplier, 14 is multiplicand, product is 168. Understood, children? Write on fast. Few more sums. Children, take out your classwork and write, ma. In the classwork you should write this all. Whatever homework I am giving, that one you should do it in the homework book. Whatever I am doing in the board, on the board, that one you should do in the classwork. Understood? (24 into 42). Okay. Here 24 into 42. What you have to do? First of all, you should check which one is in ones place, which one is tens place. After that, you should multiply first ones place onwards. S. See, here 2 ones place, this is tens place. S. You should multiply this number to this 2 number. S. Here which number is in ones place? 2. In that 2, you should multiply these 2 numbers. Okay. First, you should multiply in ones place. S. That's why you should multiply first 4. 2 4s are 8. Again, this one completed. What you did here? 2 into 4 you did. S. 2 into 4. 8. 2 4s are 8. That 8 you wrote here. S. Next. Again, you should do cross here. Tens place. Which number is here? In tens place 2. 2 into 2. 2 into 2. 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Again, this ones place completed. You should write here plus symbol. Again, tens place. In the tens place, which number is here? 4. That's why you should multiply ones place now. Here in ones place, which number is here? 4. 4 into 4. 4 into 4. 16. Like that only you should write. No. 6 here. 1 carry forward to tens place. Again, what you have to do? This 4 into this 2 you should multiply. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Again, what you have to do? Should add these 2 numbers. This here, any number is here? No, plus symbol is there. This 8 you should write here down. Here, 6 plus 4, 10. 0 here, 1 carry forward. 9 plus 1, 10. Understood, children? Write in the classwork. These are all 2-digit numbers. How to multiply 2-digit numbers? Now, one more example of 2-digit number. Here, 84 into 35. Ones place, tens place. Ones place first. Here check. Which number is here? 5. S. 5 into, you should do these two numbers. S. 84 into 5. Because here 5 is there in ones place. That's right. Okay. First of all, what you have to do, you should do ones place. Which number is here ones place? 4. That's why 5 fours are 20. 20 like that only you should write? No. You should write here 0. Again here 2 carry forward. Now, which number is here? 8. 8 into 5. 8 fives are 40. 40 plus this carry is there. Which number? 2. 40 plus 2, 42. Yes, 2 here, 42 here. Because any number is not there, that's why. Next, plus symbol you should draw. Okay. Next, what you have to do? Tens plus which number is here? 3. In this 3, you should multiply again these two numbers. Okay. First, you should multiply ones place. Which number is there? 4. That's why 3 fours are 12. 12 means 2 here, 1 carry forward. Again, 3 eights are. 3 eights are, tell me children. 3 eights are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. You should add these two numbers. 0 here, 4 here, here 9, here 2. What is that answer? 2940 is the answer. Understood? Right. Write in the classwork. Okay children, now examples of 3-digit numbers. Okay. See here, 340, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. S into 12. First of all, in this two number, which number you should multiply in these three numbers? Ones place, which number is there? 2. In that 2, you should multiply these three numbers. 2 zeros are 0. 2 fours are 8. 2 threes are 6 plus, okay, plus symbol you should write. Next, tens plus which number is here? 1. 1 zeros are 0. 1 fours are 4. 1 threes are 3. Again what you have to do, you should add these two numbers. 0 plus 0, any number is there? No, 0. 8 plus 0, 8. 6 plus 4, 10. 0 here, 1 carry forward. 3 plus 1, 4. 4080 is the answer. Understood? Next. See here. into 45. 0, tens, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Again, what you have to do, you should multiply in these two numbers. Yes, first you should multiply by the 5. Yes, ones place, 5. 5 3s are 15. 5, 1 carry forward. Yes, 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 1 here, 3 carry forward. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3, 23. Plus symbol you should write. Again, tens place, which number is here? 4. You should multiply in this 4, these 3 numbers. 4 3s are 12. 2 here, 1 carry forward. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 5. 2 carry forward. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 5 plus any number is there? No, only 5 you should write. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8, 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 here, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 1, 2. 20,835 is the answer. Understood? Children, you should know this, okay? To multiply a number by 10, 100 and 1000, follow the rules given below. When you multiply a number by 10, write 10 at the end of the number. When you multiply a number by 100, write 2 zeros at the end of the number. When you multiply a number by 1000, write the 3 zeros at the end of the number. These rules compulsorily should know that. Understood, children? See, for example, 36 into 10, 360. Because 36 end, you should write 10. Okay. Next, 415 into 100. See, 415 end, what you have to do? You should write 2 zeros. Okay. 8,936 into 1000. For example, see, if you multiply any number by 10, okay, what you have to do? This number end, you should write 10. Understood? Again, if you multiply 564 into 100, in this number end, what you have to write? You should write 2 zeros. Understood? Next, if you multiply this number 1000, what you have to do? First of all, you should write this number. Again, you should write 3 zeros. Understood? Like this. This is example. Okay? Write in the classwork. Again, I will give some sums for you children. You should do it in the homework. Okay? When you multiply by number 10, any number, not only this number. See, in this number, if you multiply 10, what you have to do? First of all, you should write this number. Again, 10 you should write in the end of the number. Again, here also, see, any number if you multiply 100, what you have to do? You should write 2 zeros. See, 4,654 2 zeros. You are multiplying 100, that's why. Okay. Here, any number you are multiplying. Okay, 1000. First of all, you should write that number. Again, you should write 3 zeros. 1000 you are multiplying that number, that's why. Understood? Write in the classwork, ma. Next, homework. You should do the homework. This is your homework. Exercise 3.3. Do it.